New from Revell, the Lamborghini Revuelto US box version kit, 124 scale with engine detail kit. So this version of the kit just got released here within the last week of the time of this video. Some of the kit details include multi-piece interior with drive side options, V12 hybrid engine with opening cover, steerable front wheels, molded in white and clear, updated decal sheet, and number of parts 101. And it is today's What's in the Box. Getting started with the body. See, it is a multi-piece body molded in white. Parts tree L is up next, and it has body parts tree. So over here on the right side, we have the right and left side rear body panels, and then the side view mirrors, and a couple other body pieces there. And here we have the rear fascia, bumper, exhaust tips will go up here. Get it started with the chassis parts tree D. So the underside is pretty much basic. There you have the rear diffuser, and that's about it. Taking a look at parts tree A, which has engine, brakes, and exhaust. So here on the right with the engine halves, left, right. Here we have the front engine cover, valve covers. We have the brake rotors, exhaust, the muffler on the left. And here we have the exhaust headers. Parts tree G is up next, and it is wheels, body parts, engine parts, interior parts, parts tree. Start in the lower left corner with the wheels. Top left, we have the underside console, steering shaft with the paddle shifters, pedals. Here we have the intake, wipers, two choices. Here we have side body panels, front fascia, steering wheel. So it looks like the headlight buckets will attach to this piece here. And the steering wheel. Take a look at parts tree F, which is interior pieces. So over here with the interior tub, you see it is a multi-piece, and all the detail is separate, which is nice. Here we have the left and right interior door panels. The center console, at least part of it. Here we have the seats. Parts tree B is up next, and it is interior and body pieces parts tree. So we'll start with the left-hand drive dash. And these two pieces here on the left and right, whatever they are for. Here we have the engine compartment, half shafts, cowl, Then we have the bulkhead. This is a stand where you can put a Lamborghini Revuelto decal on it, display next to the car. And we have the right-hand side drive dash. These are going to be the exhaust tips here on the left and the right side of the porch tree of the dash. Parts tree C and E. So up next, suspension and body and interior parts. Start with E. So you have the seat backs, engine cover, front part of the, I think that's front part of the bumper fascia piece, front and rear suspension pieces, subframe, that's what we'll call them. Over here on C we have the front and rear spindles, tie rod, rear mirror, part of the wheel caps, I guess we'll call them. The wheels will mount into here. These will go between the spindles and the brake rotors. So we have the headlight buckets and the side view mirror faces. Parts tree H is up next, and it is the clear parts tree. So over here with the windshield. Here we have, looks like we have the taillight lenses, headlight lenses, here we have the right side window, along with some indicator lenses, rear bulkhead window, left side window, taking a look at the blank side wall roundy rounds, skinny out front, wide out back. So this is going to be the inner, this is going to be the outer side of the tire, same for the front. Turning our attention to the decal sheet, you can see it is pretty full. It's also the same decal sheet that comes in the Revell of Germany boxed version kits. Start with the carbon fiber decals. So here on the left hand side, I believe these are all going to be exterior panel body decals. Here on the right we have, I think, the center console decals. In the middle we have interior decals, instrument gauge, center console decals, pedal decals, seat decals. These orange decals are interior accent decals. So instead of having to paint all those pieces, you can just use decals, which is nice, if you wanted to do the accented color interior. Over here, this is for that display sign. Rear bumper, carbon fiber decal, front splitter, and the license plate choices. Now we're going to take a look at the instruction book. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Lamborghini Revuelto kit from Revell. On that note, thank you so much for watching.